In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Asana the easiest way possible. Whether you're collaborating with clients, freelancers, or anyone outside your organization, Asana makes it seamless to work together. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to open your Asana workspace. To do this, log into your Asana account. Once you've entered your credentials and your workspace is up, the next step is to navigate to the specific workspace or project where you're hoping to add a guest. It's important to be in the correct location within Asana, as guest invitations are tied to specific projects or teams. Now let's move to the project or team you have in mind. Look over to the left sidebar of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all your projects and teams. Scroll through to find the one you're targeting and click on its name to open it. This will bring up the main page of the project, showcasing all its tasks and details. With the project now open, it's time to invite a guest. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll spot the Share button, which is what we'll use next. Click on it and a new invitation window will appear. Here's a key step. Enter the guest's email address in the provided field. It's crucial to remember that if you're inviting someone external to your company, make sure they provide an email that's not from your company domain. By doing so, the system recognizes them as a guest rather than a team member. After entering the email, you'll need to set their permissions. Asana offers flexibility in what your guests can do. You can allow them to edit tasks, merely comment, or even just view the project. Make your selection based on how involved they need to be. Once you're satisfied with the permissions set for your guest, you're ready to hit invite. This action will dispatch an email invitation directly to the guest, providing them access to the project once accepted. Remember, if your invitee uses a company domain email address, they'll be treated as a member of your workspace, not as a guest. This distinction affects both access and billing. To maintain them as a guest, ensure they provide a personal or external domain email. With that, you've successfully added a guest to your Asana project, bringing you one step closer to more collaborative and efficient workdays. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more Asana tutorials for further tips and insights. Until next time, happy organizing.